Hi, so what I got here is the IKEA GodMorgan Vanity. And what I'm going to do is show you how to remove the drawers from the rail. And it's actually quite simple. There is actually a easy locking mechanism and you just lift up. So let me go ahead and show you that. So I'm going to go underneath the drawer. And quite simply, there is this type of mechanism here. And if you notice, this locks right into this piece of wood here. So all you have to do is push this out, and you'll notice it releases from the wood, which locks it in place. And from the other side, you merely do the same thing. So I'm going to push it out. Now this one is stuck in a little bit more, so you heard that loud noise. And now I could completely push this drawer up. So the brilliance of this design is that there is no screws or holes that lock everything in place. So the screw or the screw holes will never get loose. What happens here is there's a piece of metal that rises up into a hole that actually locks it in place vertically. And then there's another metal piece that sticks out horizontally that locks into a small hole in this piece of wood, and that locks it in horizontally. So with those two holes being filled in with a little spike that goes up a little bit, half an inch, and one that goes horizontally half an inch, that locks it in place without any screws or loosening of screws or screwing. So none of that will actually break, and you simply, lift up, and that's the piece I'm talking about. And in the back here is a similar piece horizontally, so once you lift up and pull out, you're all set. So let me give you an up-close look here without the drawer in place, and notice that this is the piece that we pulled out. So if I push it in, as you can see, that's the piece that actually locks into the wood of the drawer. And this is a little bit deceptive. This does nothing, so ignore that. Don't twist it, don't break it. And this piece also does nothing. So it is just a matter of lifting up the drawer such that the drawer doesn't rest right into this stabilizing vertical piece. And then once you lift up and pull out, this also recedes back from the wood in the drawer. So that gives you a better idea of exactly what these pieces do, and really this is the secret. Now to put it back in, make sure these tabs are out. Make sure this is fully extended. Take this, rest this entire thing on the rails, and actually reach your hand back here, feel for the hole in the back, push it so it rests all the way in, and do that to the other side. And this takes a while because you have to feel for the hole in the back. But once you do it, and you have both rails locked in, now you just place it down, and that also is recessed into the hole. And reach down for the clips and push it in. It's locked in place. And that's it. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe and support this channel, and thank you for watching.